Welcome, Hiroe. I wanted today to talk to you a little bit about our retreat that's happening on Tamborine Mountain, and you're going to be my guest tutor. So this was all about letting my prospective students know a little bit about you, and also a little bit about what we'll be doing at the retreat. So welcome.
Yeah.
I've known you for a long time now, haven't I? For probably about what?
20 years?
Or almost.
Almost 20.
Close, yes. So Hiroe has been a lovely mentor to me over some of this time, and we've had a really good business relationship over that time. So when I decided to do some retreats at Tamborine Mountain, she was one of the people I thought of that would be a fantastic tutor for one of our retreats, and she kindly agreed to do so. So for the girls who haven't quite made up their mind whether they'd like to come, we'd like to give you a little bit of an insight into what will be happening at the retreat. Now, Hiroe's decided that she'd like to do some foundation piecing, and I think that's going to be a fantastic accompaniment to the Sashiko that we'll be doing as well. But Hiroe, just tell me a little bit about yourself. You've lived in Australia for quite a while?
Yeah, I come to Australia 23 years ago.
23 years
yes.
ago. Okay.
Yeah. I'm Japanese, okay?
Hence that she's a really, she knows her product and she knows a lot about Sashiko and Boro, and she's a very good designer. She's a great designer of quilts and patterns and things like that. So, and of course, she has access to all these beautiful fabrics that we can offer. So she's going to be doing some foundation piecing, and we thought we'd just give you a little insight into some of her works, and to also show you what she'll be teaching at the retreat as well.
Yep.
So if you would like to just explain a little bit about what this is foundation piecing. I didn't know this was foundation piecing, but you said this is also
this
foundation.
is foundation piecing. This is pattern called crazy quilt.
Crazy quilt, yes, yes.
And one paper cutting this size,
right,
and from outside making a line, keep going,
right,
and sewing in the middle. This one sewing, starting. Next one is, next one is, next one is, next one, next one, next one, next one,
and then continue. Okay.
One block finished.
One block. So it doesn't take very long to do.
Very short time.
Very short time.
Yeah.
And so foundation piecing is ideal for the beginner?
Yep.
Absolutely. So
yep.
Don't feel that if you haven't done this sort of work before that you should be excluded. You feel that it's very doable for a beginner.
Yes.
Right.
And
because I'll be lining up for it as well. So
okay.
Okay.
Foundation piecing is very accurate.
Very accurate, yes.
And not so much waste of fabric.
Right.
Yeah,
Okay.
very good.
So a great way of using up all your scraps too, I suppose,
Yes,
is it?
all scrap fabric.
Yeah, so these look like there's nothing, no pattern as far as fabric goes. It's sort of, crazy patch, isn't it?
Yeah, crazy patch.
Yeah, no, that's fantastic.
Yeah.
All right, so we've actually got some samples here to show you exactly what Hiroe has already done, and it's a great way to get to see what you can do if you do this class. So this is another one, a little bit different, but still the same foundation piecing method.
Yes, exactly same. This is calling a triangle log cabin.
A triangle log cabin.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, fantastic.
This is one block.
Yes.
One block, second, third.
Okay.
Yep.
Right, and that makes up a whole block, does it?
Yes.
Right, okay, fantastic, yes. I've not seen that quilt before, it's very nice. Lovely. I love the use of colour. You've got a very good sense of colour too, I've noticed over the years. Some of your quilts are just amazing. We're coming to a real favourite of mine shortly.
Enjoy fabric. Okay.
And this one's using a little bit of Sashiko.
Yes.
And was this done by foundation piecing as well?
This is a foundation piecing.
Using log cabin. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So it hasn't got to be intricate. It can be quite simple.
Very, very simple.
Right. Okay.
And more quicker.
Yes. Right. Okay. And a bit of Sashiko on that one. Like that. And this is probably one of my favourite quilts. This is just beautiful. I love the colours in this, and I love the fact that you've done some raw edge applique on this as well, and combined it with a very simple log cabin. But oh my goodness me, how effective it is! Just beautiful. Well done. It's just
very, very autumn color.
Autumn colours.
Yeah.
That's probably why I love it so much. Yeah. No, it's absolutely beautiful.
One pattern, second pattern. This
Right,
one
so you've got two
using
different, right, okay.
different.
Just the way that you've done the
Just changing order.
Yes, right, okay. Yes, now that's beautiful. And I really like this. I think it looks fantastic. Putting those little raw edge applique flowers in there looks wonderful. Okay, so then we've got a little bit of a different version on the Sashiko blocks as well.
Yeah, this is a crazy patch.
Crazy patch,
Yeah.
okay. Yeah.
Just a small bit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And using
Piecing paper.
right, okay. Now this one is relatively new. This one, we talked about a quilt that we'd seen at the Tokyo Quilt Festival. I came home and I said to you, "Oh my goodness me, that was just beautiful." And then you designed this beautiful quilt using a combination of foundation piecing with the graduated colouring, and then that's not foundation piecing down there, but this is up here. Is that right?
One or applique?
Oh, it's all. Sorry.
This is applique.
Oh, applique. Okay.
Yes.
Right.
Very
Okay.
simple applique.
Right. Okay. And combined it with the foundation piecing. Yeah. It's absolutely beautiful. I just love that. It's gorgeous. I love the way it just grades into different colours. I think it's gorgeous. Okay, so now we're getting on to what we'll be doing at the retreat. So you've got two colourways, haven't you?
Yep.
You've got this colourway
And the indigo colorway.
and the indigo colourway. So as you can see, using the grey background,
Yep.
and the fabric is just beautiful that you've used. So this is going to be a colourway kit, and then the indigo. So there'll be a choice of colours. Is that right? Or
Yes.
yes. Okay. All right. Lovely. Okay. So that's one. Okay. And then this is the one that everyone.
This is a Mount Tamborine Retreat.
This is the retreat. Yes, absolutely. Right. So, okay. So this is what you'll be stitching at the retreat as well. And as you can see, we've used a little bit of Sashiko in the blocks, and a combination of all these beautiful fabrics.
Thank you.
It's gorgeous. Absolutely stunning.
This quilt called Hanabi.
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 What does Hanabi mean?
Hanabi means in English firework.
English fire. Oh, a firework.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sometime on riverside, making firework.
Right. Okay, that's interesting. I didn't know that. So, thank you for that. Okay, so that's a little bit about what you'll be teaching up there, and we'll probably be teaching this for about over the 4 days, with thrown in each day. We'll be throwing in a little bit of Sashiko, because you're such an aficionado of Sashiko as well, and we'll be so we'll work together on the whole 4 days. We won't be separating anyway. We'll just be working together, so that'll be fantastic. A requirement is that you do need a sewing machine. If you are coming from far away, I can always organise a sewing machine for you to have it on site, so that you haven't got to lug it on the train or the plane, whatever. So you don't have to worry about that. The retreat is in the most beautiful location. It's overlooking the Gold Coast, and autumn weather is just stunning up there. The room that we're teaching at is beautiful and light. It's lovely and light. Fresh air is gorgeous. Food was absolutely fantastic. We'll be having, instead of having afternoon tea this time, we're going to have drinks after we sew, so that'll be lovely, drinks and cocktails. And I'll also be teaching we'll be teaching manipulating designs pre-stenciled fabric, we'll be manipulating those so that you can create your own designs, and we've both done that. So and also playing with the niche Sashiko templates that I have just designed, and that's a great fun way of designing as well. And because Hiroe designs nearly all of your Sashiko panels, you design those all yourself, don't you? Yeah. So she's got a really good design, an artistic flair, which she's been very lucky to have, and I'm sure she'll be able to help in the design as well. So.